Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Lola. So today we're gonna do a project outside even though it's cloudy, but it's okay, it's still fun. So we're gonna do an end table today. We're gonna paint it and it's for my husband's office. So let's do something today guys. Okay guys, so this is the end table for my friend, and my husband already did a lot of things to make this table pretty. Like he sanded the top already and he fixed some trim, and then after that all I have to do is just to paint the body and the leg black. So guys, I'm gonna use a black chalk paint from there. Maybe you need the number. I always love using chalk paint because that means less prep for me. Okay, let's start. So we put the table upside down because it's easier for me to work on it, and on top of a higher table, and we start with cleaning the piece. So the reason why I always say clean first, because you don't want any dirt or grimes in this furniture. You have to make it clean so your paint would adhere better when you put it on your piece. Okay, so if you just open a new a can of paint, don't forget to stir it, because all the good stuff is still at the bottom. So make sure to stir it well till it all mix. So this is the color, black. Oh yeah, this is in French because I'm in Quebec. There's always two, French and English. I think this is all good already, all mixed well, and we can start to paint. Enough for the first coat. I'll come back with the second coat. Hi guys, it's raining outside, so we're bringing the party inside. We'll continue to paint this table in the house. Hi guys, so the table is ready, it's dry to the touch, so I will sand it, all the details, because I want the wood color to pop. I'm using 320 grit of sandpaper. Okay guys, we just finished sanding the table. Right now we just need to clean it again. The next step is to seal the paint. I'm using wipe-on poly. I'm gonna use it on the body and on the leg. So for the top, my husband and I decided to use linseed oil because it brings out the wood grain. Okay guys, that's it for the project today. I hope you enjoy it, the before and after. I hope I inspire you to refresh your furniture back at home. And don't forget to leave your comment and like and subscribe to my channel because it will help my channel to grow bigger. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next project. Ta-da!